Hi everyone, welcome back to Professor English Podcast Channel. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Anna. It's always great to have you here.
We bring you fun, entertaining, and easy English conversations every day. If you listen daily, our episodes will naturally help you think in English and speak confidently, just like a native speaker.
That's right. So stay with us to the end because today's topic is very interesting and very real. We're going to talk about how technology changed our lifestyle.
Yes, technology is everywhere today. From the moment we wake up to the moment we sleep, technology is part of our daily life.
Absolutely. Think about it. The first thing many people do in the morning is check their phone. Messages, notifications, news, weather, everything is there.
That's true. Years ago, people used alarm clocks. Now, the phone wakes us up, tells us the time, and even reminds us of our schedule.
And sometimes it reminds us too much. Like when your phone says, "You have been sitting for too long."
Yes, even our phones care about our health now.
Let's talk about communication first. How did people communicate before technology?
They wrote letters, waited days or weeks, and used landline phones at home.
Exactly. But now with smartphones, we can send a message in seconds. We can call, video chat, or send voice notes anytime.
And this changed our lifestyle a lot. Now we stay connected with family and friends all the time, even if they live far away.
That's a big change. For example, before video calls, people could only hear voices. Now they can see faces, smiles, and emotions.
Right. I remember my first video call. I was so surprised. I kept looking at the screen like, wow, this feels like magic.
Same here. Now it feels normal, but it's actually amazing.
Another big area is work life. Technology completely changed how we work.
Yes, many people now work from home. They use laptops, email, online meetings, and shared documents.
In the past, people had to go to the office every day. Now, some people work from their bedroom or kitchen.
That sounds comfortable, but sometimes it's tricky. You work, eat, and relax in the same place.
Exactly, and sometimes you forget to stop working. The laptop is always there.
Let's do a small role play about work and technology.
Okay, I'll be the manager. You be the employee.
Sounds good.
Hi, Anna. Can you join the meeting at 10 a.m. on Zoom?
Sure, no problem. I'll join from home.
Please send the report by email before the meeting.
Of course, I'll send it in 30 minutes.
See, this conversation was impossible without technology before.
Exactly. Everything is faster now.
Let's talk about shopping. How did people shop before?
They went to markets and stores, checked items, and paid with cash.
And now?
Now, people shop online. Clothes, food, electronics, everything comes to your door.
And sometimes you forget what you ordered until it arrives.
Yes, you open the door and think, oh, what is this?
Online shopping changed our habits. It saves time, but it also makes buying too easy.
That's true. One click and it's done.
Let's move to education. Technology changed learning in a big way.
Definitely. Students now learn online. They watch videos, join classes, and practice with apps.
Like our listeners, they are learning English through podcasts and technology.
Exactly. Without technology, this kind of learning was not possible.
Before, people needed books and classrooms only. Now, learning is everywhere.
Let's share a small story.
Okay.
Once, I met a student who learned English only from online videos and podcasts. When I talked to him, his pronunciation was very good.
That's impressive. Technology gave him access to real English.
Yes, it changed his lifestyle and his confidence.
Now, let's talk about entertainment.
Oh, that's my favorite part.
In the past, people watched TV at a fixed time.
And if you missed your favorite show, that was it.
But now, people watch movies and shows anytime on their phones or laptops.
Music also changed. People used CDs and radios. Now everything is online.
You can create playlists for different moods, happy, sad, relaxed.
Or even for cleaning the house.
Yes, music makes everything easier.
Technology also changed how we travel.
True, now we use maps on our phones instead of asking people.
And sometimes the map is wrong and you still get lost.
That's true, but at least we feel confident while being lost.
Booking tickets, hotels, and rides is also easier now.
Everything is digital. Tickets, payments, confirmations.
Let's do a quick quiz for our listeners.
Okay,
Question 1. What do people use now instead of paper maps?
the answer is digital maps on smartphones.
Good. Question 2. How has technology changed communication?
It made communication faster with messages, calls, and video chats.
Perfect. Let's talk about health and lifestyle.
Yes, people now use smartwatches and apps to track steps, sleep, and exercise.
Before, people just walked. Now they count every step.
I need 2,000 more steps today. Technology helps, but sometimes it also creates pressure.
That's why balance is important.
Social media is another big change.
Yes, people share photos, stories, and daily life online.
This connects people, but it can also affect mental health.
That's true. Comparing life with others is easy online.
So we must use technology wisely.
Let's do a short conversation about social media.
Okay.
Did you see my post from yesterday?
Yes, I liked it. You looked very happy.
Thanks. I posted it from my phone in 2 seconds.
See how easy sharing life is now?
Exactly.
Now let's recap what we learned today.
Sure, technology changed communication, work, shopping, education, entertainment, travel, and health.
It made life faster, easier, and more connected.
But it also taught us to be careful and balanced.
Remember, technology is a tool. How we use it matters.
Very true.
Now, here's a small practice for our listeners.
Try to say these sentences aloud. Technology changed my daily routine. I use my phone for work and learning. And I try to balance my screen time.
Practice them daily to improve your real English.
And don't forget, learning English through real topics makes it easier and more fun.
If you enjoyed this episode, click like and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons.
Share it with your friends who are learning English too.
That's right. Keep practicing and stay tuned for our next episode.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye.